All right, we're gonna record a quick, short strategy Saturday video today, and that's because I'm hungry and I need to go get dinner, and I'm probably gonna go get In and Out. So anyway, let's go and see. We're gonna do March 19th. Fuck it, March 19th. Fuck it, fuck it. Is this within? I believe this is. No, this is not within parameters. So we're gonna go to the normal. This is not the normal contract. Oh, this is the normal contract. This is daily. Let's go with this one actually. Yeah, we'll go with this one. All right, so 19th is Thursday, Monday, Tuesday bullish, Wednesday bearish, Thursday probably going to end up being bearish. We've been kind of in a consolidating bear market the last 20 days or so. So we're going to go down to the 4-hour or not. Yeah, we're starting off bearish on the day. What do we see right here? 50%. This is 10 p.m. We're gonna go down to the hourly now. 11, so we go 12, 2, 5, go down to the 30-minute, look at 9:30 a.m. All right, and then what do we see? We've just been pretty much bearish. Asia session moves 100, more than 100 points bullish. We're probably going to see London protraction bullish and then London delayed protraction bullish as well. Ooh, we actually don't. We end up seeing London protraction bearish and then London delayed protraction. We see also bearish. Okay. Strange. Strange indeed. But it's all right. So then AM trend, pre-AM trend. We end up moving farther bearish. So I'm expecting bullishness on open up into 50% of this level here. So this is what we're going to be looking for. We're going to go down to the 1 minute now. Kind of speed running just because I'm hungry, but yeah. All right, what I want to see is, to be honest, what I want to see is bullishness sweeping this low, stops not that much. Oh, this is not a micro contract. We're changing this back to one. I thought this was micro contracts. No, this is this is normal mini. Confirm, hello. So now we're gonna see how much is this. 24 points. I want it at 25. Let's go with that, and then we target something like this. And then I do another buy directly on this level and have a stop loss right here and out there. Wow. Okay. Wow. Very strong bearish push indeed. Only lost 830. Not terrible, but that's not great either. So it looks like today we might not get a retracement. Does this turn into okay? We might not get a retracement. Yeah, I don't think we get a retracement. We do get a retracement. Again, this is the first 30 minutes of price action. I should have probably waited a little bit. Probably would have been smarter. We'll see. Yeah, there it is. Okay. Okay, fair enough. Fair enough. Oh. So this is a 50% here, technically. What does the next candle do? Strong bullish close. I would wait. That's why. It's exactly why I would wait. 950. Take out this high, potentially. Ooh, SMTs, SMTs. I hate Dow Jones. Oh, it's because this is mini. Oh, this is mini Dow Jones, actually. So this one, we should change it to ES. is it not changing? Okay, whatever. I'm just gonna use Dow Jones. Whatever. We swept the high Dow Jones. Swept it on NASDAQ. There you go. That's the candle that I'm looking for. Break below. Break below. There you go. Now anything here. Stops just at this high. Profits going down. I'm just taking loss after loss. Okay, so what? Am I a chud? Am I a fat chud? We go short here. Wait, short? Yes, short. Fuck, I know if I do that, it's gonna... Oh, fuck, it's not even gonna open there. Okay, whatever. Sweep this low. What does the next move do? Sweeps the low again. Doesn't break past 830. Next move. I knew it. 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 Okay, I'm down a lot today, actually. And this is not good because price is kind of going bullet. Yeah, price is just going really bullish. Why? Don't know. I didn't even check the news. I forgot. I'm going to buy in here and it's immediately going to start going bearish. How did I know? No, I think potentially 50%. No, yeah. I am liquidity. 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 I'm liquidity. I'm liquidity. I'm getting in for 5 here now. I'm raising my... Okay. Normally, in a normal trading day, I would be out here, and I should be out here. However, because I'm paper trading and backtesting, I want to learn a little bit more. And what I'm seeing here right now is we have strength going bullish, and for some reason we don't want to go bearish more. I wanted to go bearish more, but we just didn't. We made a big bearish movement here and probably exhausted most of the bearishness for the day. This taps into a 50% and immediately pushes higher. It does make a failure swing, but it does retrace into a bullish fair value gap as well as order block right here. What I do think is going to happen is we're going to go ahead and take out this low as internal liquidity and then target highs right here as external liquidity. The reason why I'm going 5 contracts in is because I believe that's 100% what's going to happen. And if I'm wrong, oh well. Sweep. No, we don't sweep. Dow Jones probably did sweep, though. Unless we want to sweep after. Okay, lunch hour has opened, so I don't think we're going to see a lot of movement. Crazy movement. So I'm going to bring stops up here. And there we go. Now, I do think we can definitely go for more. And in fact, what I do believe that was going to happen is we come up to this level, and then we probably find something here to reject off of. But there's no reason for me to trade any more than that because I've made my profit, mitigated my losses, whatnot, right? And now we're going to see, we actually don't come up to this level. We start rejecting now. But do we come up to that level? We actually don't. Okay, so yeah, well, I guess this was just the liquidity that we needed. But it does make sense because equal highs, failure swing here, 3 Indians, structure, and then failure swing here, break of structure, 50%, lower lows, and now is gonna freaking deliver what I wanted at the beginning of the day, huh? We don't. We kind of just go back and forth. Oh, wow, we end up closing the day bullish. That is insane. Oh, I was right. we took out this level here, and then we found something within these levels to reject price lower. I want to see us go lower though, because I do want to see us close. Now we don't. We end up closing bearish still, but it's not as bearish as I wanted it to be. Unfortunate as it is. But yeah, so what was the problems that I had during that trading day? Kind of emotional. Kind of very emotional. Realistically, I wanted shorts, and I could have caught these shorts here, but I just didn't. But realistically, I wanted shorts since back here, and we since back here even actually, and we kind of just dilly dallied. We did a lot of extra stuff before we caught the shorts at all. From here to here, yeah, we did a lot of extra stuff before we caught shorts. We came into the 50%, but there's nothing really here that indicates a reversal other than this order block that's already been used, this propulsion block that's been used, and this propulsion block that's been used. So I wouldn't have taken that. Maybe something on a higher time frame, but I didn't switch at all. I couldn't really see SMTs or anything because when I'm in a position and I switch the charts, it automatically removes the trade for some reason. Why is there a hair in my eye that won't go away? Because it's stuck to my glasses, that's why. But yeah, and I think I think me getting in for those longs definitely saved me. Now, would I normally do that in a normal market? Actually, I was gonna say no, but yes, I would because I was very sure of that position. Um, because if we were to reverse here again, it just would not make sense. We were at least gonna take out these highs, and if we didn't take out these highs and we went lower, it would have had to been news. So we took out these highs, and then we had the failure swing here. I could have potentially caught the bearish move here, but I didn't. We ended up going bearish. We didn't go lower like I wanted, but yeah. And then this is probably some type of news. But yeah, that's it for the strategy Saturday today. I'm gonna go get my in and out because I'm hungry and I need to leave the house and I'm really tired. So yeah. Hopefully everybody has a good back testing day. I pray that this coming week is fruitful in terms of our profits and continues to pass on great win ratios and RRs for me.